Welcome guys, today I am with the NOKIA G60 5G and I will show you camera pro mode on this smartphone. So simply to open the camera pro mode you have to open the normal camera application and then move for the more modes that you can find next to the night mode. Click on the pro mode. You will get the quick guide about these parameters. You can also skip them or read if you don't know what this function does. And as you can see, you can find also the information icon right here, so we can open it one more time. At the first and the top we can change the photo format, so we can decide between two different formats. Next, you can adjust the white balance with the slider. You can make it manually or automatically. Right here we got the autofocus and also the manual focus. This parameter it's the ISO, and that's how we can set it up manually or automatically. That's the shutter speed, and that's also the parameter that we can set up manually or automatically. And when you set up for example for 2 seconds, click on the shutter, and after this time the photo will be taken. And what is interesting that I use the Motorola Moto E22, and in this phone this shutter speed wasn't working. I can set it up for 16 seconds and the phone just take photo normally without the delay. That was the weird. And right here we can find the exposure compensation that we can set up between +3 and the -3. And as you can see, that's the only parameter that we can set up only manually. That's no automatic adjustment. When you click right here on this arrow, you will reset the parameters. When you click in this place, you can enable camera timer, grid lines, camera watermark, leveler, and go for the base settings. And that's all for this video. That's how the camera pro mode looks on the NOKIA G60 5G. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.